guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ruth Kerubo, and in case you're new here, welcome to Teach Crest. Right, so today we want to look at geography and specifically the map of Kisumu East, which was set in the KCC question. So map work is part of practical work that you're supposed to cover, so you gain practical skills through geography, and map work is one of them. So your answer question 6 and any other 2 questions from that section, whereby the first question in that number 6 was to give the longitudinal extent of the map, this Kisumu East, whose scale is 1 centimeter represent 50,000 centimeters on the actual ground, and its sheet number was 116/2. So having studied it, you're supposed to give the longitude extent. So, and you know, longitudes are lines moving from imaginary lines running from north to south. Here I've drawn a circle, so you find we have that line. Let's say the first one was prime meridian. They can be as many as possible. So they basically get to this divide the earth into 2 hemispheres, the western and the eastern. Okay, so in this case you expect your answers, they should be maybe in east and west. Okay, so let's write. This is Kisumu and it passes through the equator. That's why you're seeing 00 degrees. So that will be for longitude, latitude, but you are interested in the longitude. So it is here 34 degrees 45 minutes. Here you can see we have the 34 degrees 45 minutes. You go. We are finding that we have the prime meridian passing here 00 east. You go. We have 34:50 east of Greenwich. 34 degrees 45. 34 degrees 50 minutes east of Greenwich. Then you go. We have 35 degrees. So you take that 35. That is the farthest place of this map is 35. Here it was 0 degrees east of the meridian. So if you go to this side, it will be west. So towards this side it's west, and we have the 34 degrees 45 minutes. So that is on the west. So this map comes from 34 degrees 45 minutes west to 35 degrees 0 minutes east. That is the correct answer. Was name 3 human-made features in grid 0193. So these are 4 grid reference 0193. Then you have to name the man-made features. So you come on the grid, so you read, across the corridor, up the stairs. So we have 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Then this is 0. So we want the 0, 1. Okay, up to 93. So you go to where we have 93. So here, what are you able to see? We have the agricultural department. Then we have these lines joining. We have some dots. So the dots represent the houses, the settlement. Then this discontinuous lines, we want to see what they mean. Okay, so we go to this 93. Okay, and you're seeing that those represent the main tracks or motorable tracks. So those are the features. So the agricultural department, the motorable trucks and settlements. Yep. Identify the two methods used to show relief on the map. To show or indicate relief, we use usually contours, which are brown in color, like these ones, the brown ones. I don't know whether it's zooming. Yeah, those are contours. We can have foam lines, but the difference between contours and foam lines is that you find the foam lines are less dull. Yeah. Then we have a photo principal point that can be used. Another thing, let's see whether we have spot heights. Okay, we have a trigonometrical station there, the triangular. So like this one is 1872. So like that one is 1872. 72. We have the contours bado. Yeah, the trigonometric station. Also have another one here. Yeah. We're seeing on this map, contours and trigonometric stations have been used. However, you can use other methods like layer tinting. We have oblique. Use hatchworks, etc. We shall see this deeply in the next lessons, but the ones which were used on this map are trigonometric stations, air photo principal points, and contours. Was you find the area of Kisumu town. So want to find how the boundaries used for towns, how they look like. So here you go. Then if you go to the map, scale, you're seeing it is here, municipality. They're usually headed by a mayor. So we have this one. So you come here and look at the shape. So it is irregular in shape. You'll come and find the total, the complete grids, then plus a half of the incomplete grids to help you calculate the area. Complete ones that we are seeing, we have here 1, we have 2, 3, 4, 5. Put here your 5 plus the incomplete ones. Even if it's just 3/4, half, or just a third of it, you will count it like these ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So plus 17 all over 2, you get here 1 because of 8.5. So 5 plus 8.5. Our scale is that 1 centimeter represents 50,000 centimeters on the actual ground. You see, Kenya has dug many dams containing magic. Millimeter, centimeter, decameter, meter, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So you find the number of centimeters that are going to 1 kilometer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 centimeter represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 500,000 centimeters. What about 50,000 all over this? So you'll find 0.5. So 1 centimeter on the map represents 0.5 kilometers. Okay. Then look at our grids. You're finding that one grid covers as 2 centimeters both sides, you know. If one grid is equivalent to 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters, that is equivalent to saying that is using the distance 0.5 times 2 squared. So 0.5 times 2, you get it's 1. 1 squared you'll find to be 1 kilometer. So each of these grids represents 1 kilometer. That is the area. So what about the total of this? 5 plus 8, getting 13.5. So if one grid is equivalent to 1 kilometer, what about 13? So it's 13.5 all over 1 grid times 1 kilometer to get 13.5 kilometer square. Alright. So that was the correct answer.